Took a trade on NQ today. The setup presented itself pretty well. A couple things that I was looking for was also there. First thing was manipulation. Second thing, iFVG. We've got confirmation with ES with an SMT on the daily level here, which is the daily chart. And it was a quick trade, about 4 minutes, and let's get down to it. So on the daily time frame on ES, we can see that price rejected higher time frame level of this daily SSL, which is sell side liquidity. We can see a wick being put in with a candle closing inside this candle that has been formed on the 10th of January. So that signifies that price is possibly looking to be magnetized towards the bullish side. And on the 4-hour, we can see as well it has been disrespecting bearish PD arrays. So these 4-hour fair value gaps have been disrespected. So we can indicate that price is potentially looking to be hunting buy side liquidity here. So with that in mind, we can see on the 4-hour time frame on NQ, even though price hasn't taken major sell side liquidity, but having the knowledge from ES here, because these instruments work in tandem, there's a high possibility, I should say, that price will eventually look to be targeting towards the buy side as well. So with buy side in mind, on the higher time frame, I'm looking for price to potentially be magnetized to this level here, which is about 21372. Anyway, on the 1-hour time frame, we can see that at 8:30 open, price manipulated this level here, which is the sell side liquidity, before rushing back up towards this zone here, because we've maintained the bias that was bullish. Also, there was also a 1-hour volume imbalance that was put in. Let's type that in. So with that in mind, I actually trade from 9:30 to 11:30, so I wasn't looking at any news before because 8:30 had PPI. We can see as well the PPI result put in a huge bullish candle, indicating that price is potentially looking to move upwards, and we had this manipulation zone here. I like to call this turtle soup. So what happens is, a little turtle there to make it nice. So what happened is smart money will induce sellers, showing them on the charts where, potentially they're looking to, this is a fake move, take price way below this level before manipulating higher. So it's the same as well. If you're looking for price to be bullish, there will always be a manipulation towards the downside first before going up. And similar, if your bias is bearish, price will normally manipulate the level on the buy side first before going down. So maintaining that bias, I went down onto the 1-minute time frame. It's also another manipulation within a smaller time frame. So now we can, so before that, like I was saying, you could see manipulation occurred on the 15-minute time frame here. So if we go down to the 1 minute, I'm just basically looking for the same model. Price manipulated the level here, rushed all the way up, was waiting for price to be at a discount level, which is 61.8, and if I take that away, we can see as well there is another manipulation level here. Turtle soup once again. Let me just put that turtle soup in. And what I saw here was a 1-minute inverse fair value gap. And I targeted this internal high here and took my trade off. So I entered my trade at about 21,070, and I took it off at the buy side at 21,115. Wasn't being too greedy today, but you know, I'm trying to keep things simple. I used to trade the ICT 2022 model, but I've been since just focusing on manipulation first. If I see an iFVG that printed itself in front of the charts, I'll just target, I'll enter it right away without a change in state of delivery. For you guys that trade change in state of delivery, this would be the level here. But I normally don't wait for the change in state of delivery anymore. I will just I've been back testing iFVG for a while, so this is what I'm confident in. So this is the trade I took. So I waited for this candle to close. I put my stop loss around here, which is below that iFVG. It was about 1 to 2 risk to reward. Happy with this trade today. So hope you guys found this video helpful. I know it was short and sweet, but yeah, keep things simple, keep things easy to remember, because you know, if you keep things simple, it's easier to follow it when you trade, as opposed to your strategy being too convoluted and complicated. That makes you hesitant when it comes to pulling the trigger. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you guys at the next one.